Hello everyone, my name is M. Rihanna. I am 4 years old. I study at Navy Nursery and Primary School. Today I'm going to show commerce of a computer one by one. This is a printer. This is a keyboard. This is a webcam. This is a mouse. This is a pen drive. This is a CD. This is a speaker.
Very good. Next.
This is a computer. This is a monitor. This is a CPU. Thank you.
Very good.